Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting check-in now. Open the airline app or website and go straight to the check-in section. Enter your booking reference and last name so the system pulls your reservation. Make sure your passport or ID matches the booking while you confirm frequent flyer details. This avoids delays at the airport. Once done, review baggage allowances and available seats so you can buy extras or pick a preferred seat before you proceed. Now you'll select seats and add baggage. Scan the seat map, pick a seat that fits your needs, and note any upgrade fees so there are no surprises. If you need checked bags, pay for them online. This is usually cheaper and speeds up drop-off later. Update contact info and passport details as required. Accurate documents prevent denied boarding. If you use mobile boarding passes, make sure your phone's battery is charged and the pass saves to your wallet or home screen. Finish by downloading, emailing, or saving your boarding pass to your phone. Print one only if the airline requires it. Confirm gate and boarding time, then plan to arrive early for bag drop and security. If the system fails, try clearing your browser cache or use the airline app. Switching devices or another browser often solves glitches. If you still can't check in, call the airline with your booking reference so an agent can complete check-in.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.